Meaning of dust sheet.
Dust sheet.
Dust sheet.
Dust sheet.
Dust sheet. A dust sheet is a protective covering used to shield furniture, floors, and other surfaces from dust, debris, and damage during construction, renovation, or painting. It is typically made of a lightweight material such as cotton or canvas and is designed to be easily draped over objects to provide a barrier against dirt and dust. Dust sheets are commonly used by professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts to protect valuable assets and maintain a clean and organized workspace. Overall, dust sheets are an essential tool to ensure that surfaces remain clean and undamaged during construction and renovation projects.